Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.4% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold dropped 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair rose 2.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 3.1% during the session. The CCI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Saudi Aramco posted the highest profit since its record stock market listing, after oil prices surged in the wake of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. State-controlled Aramco made net income of $39.5 billion. The risk of a recession has risen, analysts have warned, after the economy shrank during March just as the UK had recovered from the pandemic. Higher prices are beginning to bite, with people spending less and cutting down on car journeys due to high fuel costs. The British pound fell versus most of its peers, extending the prior week's momentum after the Bank of England trimmed its economic growth targets. A weaker-than-expected print on GDP growth for March added to sterling's woes.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's wholesale price index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The US total net TIC flows will be released at 2000 hours GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance at 0900 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 0600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.